All right, so classes are over, so I'm gonna just kind of walk through from start to finish on what I mean by using trig ratios to find measurements of tall objects. So we're gonna start with something right around the school's campus. Before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If the videos are of help, you can hit it with a thumbs up, and if not, you can get it a thumbs down. But the only thing that I ask is if you do have a thumbs down, please drop in the comments why. So notice here, we have one of these light poles, right? So from here all the way up to the top, we could figure out how tall it is by using trig ratios. All right, so stay tuned. So I'm about to walk through how we're gonna figure this out. All right, so now I'm in the measure app right now. So what I'm gonna do is find a point right here at the bottom of the light pole, and I'm just gonna walk it outwards. Doesn't matter how far you walk it out. I'm trying to get mine to stop on a whole number, so 17. So I'm gonna stop mine right there on a whole number. So from here to over there is about 17 feet. So once you have that picture taken, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take another picture so I can get the whole thing. I'm gonna get the whole thing, and then I'm gonna go ahead and snap the picture of the whole thing. And the reason why you take the measurement and then you bag out is because now I have a picture that I can actually manipulate now. So I'm gonna save that to my photos. So here's the still shot of the measurement of 17 feet from the bottom of the lamp post. And then in the next slide, you'll see how I put it all together so that I can get my measurements. So going into my graphing calculator app by GeoGebra, I'm gonna open it up. And the part that was circled in yellow, remember that's what we're gonna type into this line here. So 17, then I go to tangent, and then I put in 39, and I put the degree symbol on there. It's very important that you put a degree symbol on there for it to calculate properly. All right, so I'm looking at a height of 13.76, or you can just round it up to maybe 13.77, somewhere around there. So in conclusion, there are three basic trig functions: sine, cosine, and tangent. Based on the given information, choose the correct function to set up. And lastly, simplify and solve.